Hey y'all, thought I'd give you an update on my truck. Thanks to Gary from Junk to Gems, he got it out. Took every bit of his four-wheel drive backhoe. But it's out. Those tires are only a year old. Now they'll probably never be the same. So anyway, some animal climbed on my truck. I can't wait to see if the rain tomorrow night cleans my tires a little bit. If not, I'll take it out and drive it on the street. Hopefully getting out of my driveway without getting stuck. I didn't think it was so mucky out here after, I don't know, a week and a half of no rain. It is soupy. Lawnmower's still stuck out there. It'll probably be there till I need it. But I got mud clumps everywhere. Look at that, I stepped in one earlier. See, Gary just made him some more work out here. When it dries up, like this summer, I'll have him back out here and fix all this. I ain't shoveling. See, he got his tractor in here deep. Four-wheel drive. These are the back wheels. These were the front wheels. Yep, what a mess. Then you see why we have a problem out here. Wonder how many crawdads were killed. This is all going to be a pond when it rains tomorrow night. Oh, Widowmaker. Anyway, thought I owed you guys a sneak peek at what happened out here. Definitely couldn't have got it out of here without Gary.